Principal of Andres Clemente Junior National High School.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Ero. Nababati po ako? Or punga na ako? Okay, so I'd like to give my sincerest greetings to the people here on stage. Of course, we have with us today the GPTA President, Ma'am Lilibeth Delito, the department heads, Ma'am Relen Infante, Ma'am Irene Aliting Gonzalez, my dear teachers, parents, other spectators, good morning! Baga wala man ka mamarahaw.
Good morning.
Wala man gayon. Diba kanina nababati ta, sira-sira ang sound system naton. Tapos kanina sa introduction ni Ma'am Irop, sabi niya, this is a celebration of partnership. Then sa opening remarks naman ni Ma'am Christine, we need to build partnership. So sana po maka-build kami sin partnership sa iyo kag mag-donate kamo sin sound system. Okay. So this time po, I'll be laying down to you the school policies and guidelines and other concerns po of the school. The first one is enrollment. Last school year, ang enrollment po ng Andres Clemente Junior National High School ay more than 1,600. Ngayon, as we speak, meron pa lang po tayo 1,400 plus. Nasaan ang more than 200 na bata? We need to locate these children. We need to locate them. Kailangan natin hanapin nasaan ba sila ngayon. Nag-transfer ba? Kasi kung nag-transfer, may record kami. Nasa 68 pa lang ang nag-shelter. And sa tawag dito, masyadong pinaburan tayo ng Diyos for temporary or for the construction of temporary learning shelter ay naibigay na po sa ating paaralan in the amount of 720,000 pesos. And anytime soon, magsisimula na po ang ating construction ng temporary learning shelter para po matugunan ang classroom. Okay po ba tayo doon? Sige. And aside from that,